British Prime Minister Boris Johnson has confirmed that all remaining lockdown restrictions in England will be lifted in a week's time. All remaining lockdown restrictions in England will be lifted despite a sharp rise in coronavirus cases. Johnson has also urged people to proceed with caution and continue to take steps to stay safe. He said that the legal restrictions will be replaced by a recommendation on that people wear masks in crowded places and on public transport.
But it is absolutely vital that we proceed now with caution. And I cannot say this powerfully or emphatically enough. This pandemic is not over. This disease, coronavirus, continues to carry risks for you and your family. We cannot simply revert instantly from Monday the 19th of July to life as it was before COVID. We will stick to our plan to lift legal restrictions and to lift social distancing. But we expect and recommend that people wear a face covering in crowded and enclosed spaces where you come into contact with those you don't normally meet, such as on public transport. We're removing the government instruction to work from home where you can.
Now, the final stage of easing England's lockdown means that all restrictions on social gatherings will be removed and social distancing measures will be scrapped. Nightclubs can reopen for the first time since March last year, and there will be no longer any limits on people attending concerts, theatres, wedding or sports events. Daily infection levels are running at over 30,000, the highest rate since January. On Sunday, Britain reported over 31,000 new COVID-19 infections and 26 deaths. Though the government has warned the daily number of cases will rise further, it is pressing on with the unlocking because of the rapid rollout of vaccines. Britain has implemented one of the world's fastest vaccination programs, with more than 87% of adults having received at least one dose of the vaccine and 66% having received two. The British government states that the fact that the deaths and hospital admissions remain far lower than before is proof that vaccines are saving lives and it is safer to open up. More concerns are being raised over the Euro 2020 final, which witnessed more than 60,000 fans at London's Wembley Stadium. Warnings from health experts that the match could become a super spreader event did not deter football fans from attending. Social distancing was blatantly ignored as unmasked supporters congregated in large groups and sang and cheered for their teams. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.